To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
Economists have cautioned employees' provident fund contributors against expecting sharply higher dividends despite the fund's strong first-quarter performance. The EPF's 51% jump in investment income to 27.73 billion ringgit in the first quarter of this year was encouraging, but should not be viewed as a signal of bigger payouts at year-end, they said. A Nobel Prize-winning economist has warned that artificial intelligence will not return Western economies to the era of rapid productivity growth, which may be gone forever. Christopher Pissarides, who specializes on the impact of automation in work, said as many as 4 in 10 US and UK jobs would be largely unaffected by AI and cited areas such as nursing and hospitality. Tech firms and governments have pinned their hopes on AI reviving levels of growth that have slowed sharply in recent decades. The sluggish performance of Western economies, particularly in Europe, has made policy trade-offs more difficult and potentially contributed to a febrile political backdrop amid weak real wage gains. The International Monetary Fund on Wednesday inched its 2026 global growth forecast lower again to 3%, warning of ongoing risks posed by the war in the Middle East, trade fragmentation, and potential corrections in market expectations for AI. The global lender said the world economy had dodged a sharper downturn as a result of the war, with demand-driven momentum in the tech sector helping to offset a war-related drop in energy supplies. Growth should rebound to 3.4% in 2027, but that is still below the average of 3.5% seen in 2024 and 2025. The Monetary Authority of Singapore is proposing amendments to the Code on Collective Investment Schemes that would allow quicker approvals for new fund product types for retail investors. MAS says it has received industry interest to offer new retail fund types that cater to a broader range of investment objectives. These include products such as future-based single commodity funds and single-country government bond funds. Is Japan a good investment for asset managers at a time when so much uncertainty surrounds the yen and Tokyo stock prices and their future direction? How much validity is there in the popular assumptions that the yen will be forced to reverse its slide before long and that the Tokyo stock bubble could soon burst? The situation is by no means as black and white as it might appear. The yen may have sunk to its lowest level against the US dollar since 1986. And the benchmark Nikkei stock index is near twice the level reached during the bubble economy period in the late 1980s. But circumstances change and things are very different now.
FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its latest annual report, now available on its official website. Link in the description. The FIMM annual convention is back, and registration is now open. Be part of the conversations shaping the unit trust industry's future. Reserve your seat today and get ready for a day of insights, connections, and forward vision.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.